Okay, this is the bubble wall we tried. Anyway, still standing. Very good. Still standing. 肥皂泡沫墙啊，风一吹到处都是了。
哎呀妈呀，这也太快了！哎呀，哇，哎呦，太棒了
！Bubble generation. This corner, this is the northwest corner. Filling the gap, and then filling the top.
哎呦，这边咋这么大呢？
哎，这边这泡大，
这边泡太大了啊！
This is the total fill. It's the last, probably the last space to be filled. And then that's the low pressure area. That's where the air is sucked in. This is also total fill. Okay, now it's filling here. See the flow. Wow! This is filled. Yeah. 对，现在就是知道它能充满就行了。
哦，
你看，这就是全充满。
这就是这样的哈。
对，
要是做好了就是这样的。
对呀，它就破裂就变成水了。成功了，成功了，成功了。行了。成功了，没问题。你看，啊，全充满呢，就是全充满呢。Okay, you see the top portion I didn't seal properly, so it's bursting. You know. Anyway, that's okay. That means we have total fill. Total filling. Now the bubbles is everywhere. We probably need to stop it. Total filling everywhere. Everywhere.
最后了这边的。
Yeah.
这边鼓得好，这边是吧
3分钟吧，我估计。And now we look at the sun through the bubbles. Yeah, that's very good. Yeah. See, everywhere is filled. Everyone is filled. Yeah, this is the bubbles. This is the door. So this is the result of total filling. As you can see, it's the bubble fills everywhere. Fills everywhere. Even let's look at the top. Look at the top. It's total filling. Yeah. And this side. And let's look through the sun. See whether we can see the sun through the bubble. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.